How does a hose pump achieve leak-free conveying? In one sentence summary, the core logic behind a hose pump achieving leak-free conveying is using a completely enclosed hose as the sole flow channel, eliminating all traditional leakage points through its structural design. Many people have a question the first time they come across a hose pump. It appears to be conveying fluid as well. Why can it be called leak-free? The key actually lies in its structural design. The fluid is entirely contained within a hose throughout the entire process. During operation of a hose pump, the medium does not enter the pump body. Instead, it flows entirely inside the hose throughout the process. It does not come into contact with bearings, the pump casing, or any metal components. There is no open flow channel, so as long as the hose does not rupture, the fluid has no escape path whatsoever. Its principle is very simple, like pinching a straw with your fingers. The rollers press against the hose to form a sealed barrier. The rollers move forward, pushing the fluid along. The hose regains its elasticity and draws in fluid again. The entire process is carried out within a closed pipeline at all times. There are no conveying points that come into contact with the outside environment. Common sources of leakage in traditional pumps include wear of mechanical seals, aging of shaft seals, and failure of O-rings. But hose pumps have a different structure. No mechanical seals, no shaft seals, and no valve system. It directly reduces leakage risk points from a structural standpoint. The hose itself is the only sealing system. In a hose pump, the hose serves as both the conveying channel and the sealing structure. As long as the hose remains intact, the system remains completely sealed at all times. Even when conveying corrosive or particle-laden media, it will not leak. Precisely because of its leak-free nature, it is particularly suitable for chemical corrosive liquids, sludge and slurry, food and pharmaceutical fluids. These industries have very high requirements for safety and contamination control. If you agree with the author or think there are shortcomings, feel free to leave a comment in the section below.